What if you could reclaim your glow? Without needles, without gimmicks. Everywhere I turned, I heard, "You can't get your glow back without injectables." I couldn't stop thinking, what if my body already had everything it needed, the nutrients, the flow, the quiet signals, to rebuild that glow from within? I used to hide behind filters and layers of makeup, convinced that flawless meant confidence. I was smiling on the outside, but deep down, I felt disconnected. Like the woman in the mirror wasn't really me. No amount of cover-up ever healed what was beneath. It only buried my real me. Then one morning I looked in the mirror and saw exhaustion written across my face. Not age, but fatigue. I thought about all the things I'd missed. Dinners with friends, pictures I avoided, moments I hid because I didn't feel like myself anymore. Confidence, connection, joy. They'd quietly slipped away. That's when I realized this wasn't about chasing youth. It was about reclaiming my energy, my presence, my spark from the inside out. So I made a promise to myself, 30 days to care from the inside out. Not perfection, no pressure, just consistency and curiosity. No shortcuts, no injectables. I began focusing on nourishment that may support well-being, balanced meals, gentle movement to encourage feeling good and ease, and small rituals that reminded my skin what calm feels like. I wasn't chasing youth, I was learning how to glow with it. If you're starting your own glow journey, tap like, so this message reaches more women, and subscribe. We're rebuilding naturally, together. Within 2 or 3 weeks, I began to notice it. Not dramatic, but definite. My skin felt smoother, texture softer, and a quiet luminosity returned that I thought I'd lost. Friends asked if I'd done something different, but all I'd changed were the small things. What I ate, how I moved, and how I nurtured myself. The body always responds when you finally give it what it's been asking for. I stopped chasing miracle creams and started nourishing from within, because honestly, real glow begins long before the mirror. I began adding simple, wholesome meals, colorful, balanced, full of life. Over time, I noticed something. When my meals were colorful and my juices glowed with fresh ingredients, so did I. It wasn't a quick fix, just quiet consistency. And slowly, my body started to reflect that care. Once the foundation felt steady, I learned about the quiet helpers, nutrients sometimes associated with skin vitality. So I added vitamin C, a touch of copper, and plant-based silica through food. Small things that may help enhance your skin's appearance. Nothing extreme, just steady care. It's not magic, just balance. One thoughtful step at a time. Some days my skin felt like it was fighting me, breaking down faster than I could build. That's when I learned glow isn't only built, it's protected. So I began leaning on nature's quiet defenders, green tea, berries, turmeric, and cacao. Foods rich in antioxidants that may help support the skin's natural resilience. They're not miracle workers, but daily protectors. Little acts of defense that remind your body you're taking care of it. Every morning I gave my skin 5 quiet minutes. No screens, no rush. Just breath, oil, and the rhythm of touch. Real lift comes not from procedures, but from reawakening what's already there. Let's do this together. Gently pinch along your jawline toward your cheekbone. Slow and steady. Feel that warmth beneath your fingers? It's simply your skin waking up to your touch. You're not chasing perfection, you're creating presence. With that same calm energy, glide upward along your cheekbones. We're not forcing change, we're inviting awareness. Less pressure, more presence. Let your hands glide along your jawline, under your eyes, and across your forehead, awakening warmth and flow. Each time you do this, you reconnect with your breath, your body, and your confidence. Let that connection guide your hands as they glide gently along your jawline. I realized my skin reflected my lifestyle more than any serum ever could. Stress, late nights, skipped meals, they showed up immediately. So I treated rest as medicine, gratitude as fuel, and consistency as self-respect. What you repeat becomes who you are, inside and out. Cortisol, the quiet enemy of collagen. When stress rises, renewal slows. So I made calm part of my skincare. Breathwork, herbal tea, stillness. When my mind softened, my skin followed. Sometimes the strongest signal of repair is stillness. Nature became my quiet collaborator. I began exploring plants traditionally used for skin balance. Gotu kola for calm, aloe for hydration, horsetail for its plant silica, and rosehip for its soft natural glow. They're not cures or guarantees, simply plants some people include in their skincare routines. Over time, I noticed a softer kind of radiance. Maybe it was the plants, maybe it was the peace I was learning to keep. Just a quick note. This is for information only. Plants may interact with medications or pregnancy, so definitely consult a professional if you're thinking about trying something new. Each morning began with calm commitment. Hydrate collagen, tea, light breath. Evenings ended in softness, gentle cleansing, upward touch, belief in repair. It wasn't routine anymore. It was rhythm. A quiet reminder. Your body listens when you care consistently. Collagen is like the framework beneath your skin, the structure that helps everything feel supported. Some research looks into possible links between nutrients like vitamin C, copper, and silica, and how skin appears over time. But you know, science is only half the story. The rest is soul. Every nourishing choice and every calm breath tells your body, you're supported, you can restore. Glow isn't something you apply, it's something you remember. 30 days later, the proof wasn't just in the mirror. It was in how I felt. My skin looked softer, brighter, but more than that. I started showing up again. Photos, conversations, eye contact. They all felt easier, lighter. The glow wasn't instant, it was earned. One mindful choice, one breath, one moment of care at a time. So, this isn't magic or some overnight change. It's devotion, honestly. Just a little reminder that your body can totally rebuild when you give it what it needs. Nourishment, rest, belief. You don't have to fight time. You just have to work with it. You'll notice it too. Your texture softens, your eyes brighten, your jawline feels firmer. When your internal world feels supported, your skin responds with gratitude. If this feels like hope more than hype, tap like and subscribe or save this video. It really helps more women discover natural ways to rebuild their glow. When you engage, it tells YouTube to share this with more women who've been hiding from the mirror. Just like I was. So, here's a myth you've probably heard. You need expensive serums or needles. But honestly, the truth is, your body needs nourishment, not noise. And remember, natural doesn't mean weak. It actually means wise. Glow isn't vanity. It's vitality. It's really the body's way of saying, I'm balanced, I'm supported, I'm thriving. When your habits align with your healing, beauty just becomes a byproduct. If you're tired of covering up, tired of chasing perfection, you're welcome here. We're rebuilding from the inside out together, one ritual at a time. Let's begin small. 7 days of collagen tea and an 8-minute facial ritual. Comment I'm in below, and let's walk this path of natural renewal together. You don't need to erase time, just remind your skin how to remember you. Your glow has always been within reach, you're just learning how to let it shine. If you commit to 7 days, you'll start to feel that inner shift, calmer mornings, brighter skin, stronger confidence. And if you are willing, I'll show you how to turn that 7-day reset into a 90-day natural glow plan. Subscribe, share, and let's keep repairing our health and our radiance together.